What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you a few different types of low content books that you can create for passive income, and if you stick around to the end of the video I'm going to show you my new favourite type of book that I've started creating. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This course lays out everything that I did step by step to get my results, and as you can see, it's getting other people results as well. Now you can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So I'm just going to go over a few different types of really no content books that you can create for passive income. I'm also going to show you where, if you don't want to create the interiors for these books yourself, then you can just purchase this little bit of software and it does all the interiors for you. And again, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you my new favourite type of book to start creating and where you can create these yourselves. So the first one I have pulled up is just a lined paperback journal. Now in the States most people call this a journal. Over here in the UK quite a lot of people call this a notebook, and they're pretty much interchangeable. Now with a lined journal, that's all it is. It's essentially lines on a page. This is really easy to create, and this is actually a no content book. I know I said low at the beginning, but this is actually a no content book because there's no content within here. Now to create these lined paperback journals is really easy. I'm going to show you a bit of software in a minute that you can use to create the interiors, and then for the covers you can simply use free tools like Canva, and you could easily create something like this. So if we scroll down we can see that some of the best-selling ones are really simple. Now one of my mottos or sayings to live by when I'm creating my low content books is KISS. So keep it super simple, and that's what works for me. Now when it comes to journals, this is probably where most of my sales actually come from. I have quite a lot of journals and they sell pretty much every single day, all different types. Now the second type of low, I keep saying a low content book, but again it's really no. Now when you hear me say low content, I'm specifically talking about all the different types of books, but the difference between a low content and a no content, well, it's in the title. A low content has low content and a no content has no content. Now this is pretty much another no content, and these are sketchbooks. Now I have quite a lot of sketchbooks now. I think I have a good couple of hundred sketchbooks and they sell fairly well. Now to create this, again, it's really easy. You could create the sketchbook interior within Canva, within Google Slides, InDesign. You could do it for free, you could do it using paid software. Now when it comes to actually creating the sketchbook pages, you can't have blank pages within the book. You have to have either an outline round or a border round the outline outside of the edge of the paper, or you have to have numbers on the paper, and that's the only way you can really do a sketchbook. But these are really good to create, and if you're doing low content books you should definitely have a few sketchbooks within your library. Now a third one, This is slowly creeping up to becoming one of my favourites. I've started selling a few more now, and that's composition notebooks. Pretty much the same as a journal or a notebook, but specifically for school. And you can get two different types. One of them is college ruled, and I think the other one is wide ruled. Now, to create something like this, you can do it yourself, the interior, but I'm going to show you just a little bit of software in a minute where you can use to get them made for you. Now, composition books, there's so many different ideas when it comes to these books. Just match a niche with the composition notebook. Now, most of these are going to be for kids, students, for school, so you could do a lot of different school themed or sports related composition notebooks. So that's a third one that I really like to create. Now, to create the interiors, like I said, you can do this completely for free, but I do suggest using tangent templates. Now, I do believe there's only it's $59 one-off payment, and you get access to so many different tools along with those interiors. So you can use this if you don't want to create the interiors yourself. Now, to the good stuff. What is my favourite type of book to create at the minute? Well, it's puzzle books. Yep, puzzle books like word searches, crosswords, cryptograms, and they sell really well over on Amazon. Not mine at the minute. I've only got a couple. I'm just saying that the niche sells pretty well. So if we go back over to here, let's do a word search like that. And as we can see, for word searches, this one's ranked just under 3,000th place in the bookstore. That's 6,000. That's 8,000. Now, I'm not saying that you can create a word search and get it ranked that high in the bookstore. I'm just saying there's a lot of potential for this. Now, when it comes to creating my books, I don't even have to create the word searches. I found this software. It's recently come out over the weekend or last week, and I absolutely love it. And this, why did it do that? This is Puzzle Book Mastery. Now, if you want to check this out, I am going to leave a link in the description down below so you can go through and check it out. I'm going to show you a quick example of how this works, because this has literally blown my mind. Now, you have three different options when you come to purchase Puzzle Book Mastery. You have the standard, then you have the pro, and then you have the master level. Now, if we go over to here, you can see. So the standard is $27. So that's the front end product, is limited features of software. People can easily make puzzle books at this standard level. Now, with this level, you can only make 100 books per month, and you only have access to the word search, cryptograms, and Sudoku. Now, at the $37 pro level, you have unlimited use, and you also get 2 additional puzzle types. So you'll get the word search, the cryptogram, the Sudoku, the word match, and the word scramble. Now, this is the level that I am at. I personally have not brought the master level yet. I reckon if you want to try this out, just get the standard level, and if you like what you see, then go for the pro level. Now, you can always upgrade here within your back office. So, with cryptograms, I've uploaded some words because that's how it works. You have to upload your own words to create the puzzles, and that's why I absolutely love this software, because that means you can do niche specific puzzle books because you can upload your own words. So cryptograms, when you go to upload, you would come here, you'd go to cryptograms, and then you simply just drop your files in here with all your phrases or words or whatever you're using, and then you come back over to home. Once they're uploaded, I can now choose cryptograms because I have 182 available. I'm going to go for 100, and then all I do is this, make puzzle, and as you can see, it's made the puzzle book for me with all these different cryptograms. And then if you scroll down right to that last page, it's also going to give you answers to all your puzzles. Then all you have to do is create a cover for this interior, and bam, you have a puzzle book. Now, I hope you see the potential in this software. With me personally, I have so many ideas that I want to do with regards to creating puzzles. Now, also, if you're part of the Printing Profits course, I will be doing some over-the-shoulder trainings on how I'm using the software, probably niche research, creating covers, and all that good stuff when it just comes to puzzle books. So if you're part of the Printing Profits course, look out for that. It should be coming sometime during the week. And if you want to go and check this out, I have left a link in the description below so you can go and do that. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.